Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to your YouTube app for Android TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do is to make sure we go ahead and locate settings on our smart TV. When you get to setting icon, go ahead and click on OK. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and make sure you navigate to apps. So click on apps, then it take you right here. Then next thing you want to do is to make sure you go ahead and click on Google Play Store. So when you click on Google Play Store, go ahead and click on open. Then you have all apps on your smart TV right here. Now, for us to search for a YouTube app in order to update, what we want to do is to make sure we come to the top right here. We make sure we navigate to search right here. Then right here, we can even, from the bottom right here, you can see YouTube app right here. So I will simply go ahead and hit on open. So once you open your YouTube, so you can see YouTube for Android TV. So what we want to do now is to go ahead and navigate to update right here. Click on update. So you can see in a few seconds, the update completes 100%. Allow the update to install successful. Once it installs successful, then you start enjoying new features about YouTube app on your Android TV. So just like what you see right here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and then click on open. So here you go. You have watched the latest video just for you. So go ahead and click on get started. So right here, sign in with your phone, sign in with your remote, add a YouTube profile key. So I'm going to go ahead now and sign in with my remote right here. So sign in with your remote. Then go ahead and enter your Google account. So I will go ahead and enter the Google account right here. Then go ahead and click on next. Then I'll go ahead and proceed to next. So I'll go ahead and enter the password. Then I've entered all the password. Go ahead and click on next. Now you have fully into your YouTube app on your smart TV. Then from here, you can start watching any movies from YouTube app on your smart TV. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.